Welcome to this lesson on forums. In this lesson, you'll learn how to build and edit a forum. You'll also learn how to build and edit topics within a forum. Now, before we start building a forum, it's always a good idea to have all of your resources loaded in the resources area. What do I mean? Well, if you plan on using a graphic or a photo in your forum, you want to upload that into the resources area before you start building a forum. In this tutorial, we're just going to look at building a forum knowing that our resources already reside in the resources area. When we look at the Sakai homepage, we see on the left-hand side there's a sidebar, and under Quick Links, we can find the link for forums. Click Forums, and it takes you to the Forums tool. Now you'll notice the default for forums is it gives you one forum and one topic. Let me explain the difference between a forum and a topic. The forum is simply the top level of organization. It's a way to group different discussions. The topic, on the other hand, is where the actual discussion takes place. That's where the classroom interaction takes place. So first, let's look at this upper level, the grouping level, which is called forum. But I want to change this name, and anytime you want to change a name, you go to Forum Settings, and I'm going to change the name of the forum to Session 1. I just click to the side to register that, and I'm going to scroll down. I don't really need to put anything else in here because this is just a title to help organize my different discussions. So I'm going to come over here, very important button, click Save, and I've changed the title of this forum. Now I am ready to build topics or build individual discussions underneath this forum in this grouping. So topic 1, I don't want that as my title of my first discussion. So I'm going to click Topic Settings, and I'm going to change this to Introduction. Now, at the topic level, that's where you actually do some building. For example, here for description, I want to put my instructions in here so students know what they are to do. And I want to start by inserting a graphic. So I'm going to click here the Insert Graphic Image icon in the Visual Editor. I click that. Now I'm going to go over here to Browse Server. When I click this, it will allow me to select a file that is on my computer. And I'm going to click here. It's in the Essentials folder within this course. I'm going to go down to the graphic that I want, and I'm going to click it. And you'll see that it appears here in this preview window. If the graphic does not appear in the preview window, you simply need to click this circular arrow here, and it will insert the graphic. Make sure you click OK down here, and there is my graphic for my first discussion. Now it's time for me to insert instructions. I can do that a couple different ways. One way, I can just type. And if I want that bigger, I would highlight it. So this is just a standard editor here. So I can type it that way. The other thing I can do is I can copy from another source and paste it in here. Now there's a good chance that you're building your instructions in Microsoft Word, and if that's the case, you need to import it using this Microsoft Word tool. So you want to go up here and this icon that says Paste from Word, you click that and you can paste your text in there, and I like to click this that instead of ignoring the font, I want it to remember the font or recognize the font, and then I click OK. And so you see, here's my instruction. And I'm just going to get rid of that. But by putting it through the Microsoft Word filter, my instructions are correct. If I just copy and paste from Word, it will throw in a lot of HTML code that will give me a big mess. So I want to paste my word text in this paste word tool. Now I scroll down, and here are some different options you can look at as far as permissions, who can get in and who can do what. But there is one very important button that you need to be aware of. It's right here, Post to Gradebook. If you want to link this to the gradebook, click Post to Gradebook. Then you go down and you click Save, and now it's time to see what we have. View the full description, and there it is. To add a new forum, scroll to the top, and you can click this refresh button. It'll bring you to the top of forums. Now to create a new forum, I just click the button New Forum, and I'll give it a forum title. I'll call this one Essentials. And I go down and save it. So I've created another category, Essentials. Now I want to create a topic within that forum, within that category, so I click New Topic. And I will label this Computer Q&A. And I will scroll down. And remember, Post to Gradebook. I don't want to post to Gradebook in this case, so I won't, but I will click Save. And there I have my new forum and my new topic. I can continue to add topics to this forum. I can add topics to this forum, and I can create more forums. And that's how you build a forum in Sakai.